battery exposed, open up the back cover using the Allen key provided. Double press on the register button. On your front panel, press 3. This is to register the front fingerprint pad. Okay, gently tap your thumb or your fingerprint 4 times. It's 1 set. Continuous registration is available as well until all your family member is being registered. Okay, after which, go back to the back cover and press the register button once. Now is to teach you to how to register the back gate lock fingerprint. So same thing, double press on the register button. Press number 4. Same thing, okay, on your back gate, the fingerprint pad 4 times. Okay, once done, press the register button.